Yeah, you're fine here. You don't need to.
Okay.
Okay. So how do you think you did? What is it now? 8:07. So really, that only took 10, 17, 18, 19 minutes. So we went a little overtime.
Yeah.
So it could take maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah. I obviously didn't straighten out my wheels.
Okay.
And then when I was doing my forward parking, I did get close to that car there.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
I also looked in that, and I know I shouldn't have when I was parking. That's all I really...
Yeah, you made like just tiny little mistakes. Like I'm being picky just so I can give you something here. So. But yeah, they would say, congratulations, you met the ministry standards to obtain your G2. So